Trump plans to reopen states. Japan declares nationwide state of emergency. Though COVID-19 continues to spread across the US and Japan, the two countries are choosing to tackle their outbreaks differently. US President Donald Trump plans on opening up America again, while Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has declared a nationwide state of emergency that will last until May 6. On April 16, Trump said a national shutdown is not a suitable long-term solution. He then released guidelines for governors on reopening state economies and easing their lockdowns with assistance from the federal government. According to Trump, prolonging the lockdown would lead to a sharp rise in cases of heart disease, drug and alcohol abuse, and other physical and mental illnesses. Upon the reopening of states, only healthy citizens would be able to go back to work, but they would still have to practice social distancing. The BBC reports that Trump wants the reopening of the US economy to be done one careful step at a time. However, he also asked state governors to act on it very, very quickly. Trump's guidelines are divided into 3 phases that last at least 14 days each. The first phase of reopening still includes banning non-essential travel and group gatherings, but allows large venues like restaurants to operate under strict physical distancing protocols. The second phase allows non-essential travel and the reopening of schools and bars, but with diminished standing room occupancy. The third and last phase allows states that show a decrease in COVID-19 cases to have unrestricted staffing of work sites, allow visits to nursing homes and hospitals, and full bars at standing room capacity. Public interactions would be allowed but only with physical distancing. Trump said some states may reopen even before May 1, the date when he previously planned to reopen the entire nation. Japan's nationwide state of emergency is an extension of the state of emergency Abe previously declared in 7 regions. The BBC reports a poll has shown that 75% of people believe Abe waited too long to declare a state of emergency in Tokyo. Many have criticized Abe's handling of the outbreak in Japan as the country's medical facilities struggle under the growing number of cases. Japan has refused to conduct large-scale testing because it is a waste of resources, and coronavirus-positive patients with mild symptoms may overwhelm hospitals.